Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why don't I look like this? I look hot. Well, look, most people don't and won't look like that. That right there is genetic, socioeconomic status, and privilege. But if you're serious about trying to shred some pounds, stay tuned and Dr. Homie will tell you the resources available to you.
Get in my belly!
He's Dr. Homie, cause he's a doctor and a homie. He's Dr. Homie, learn something from a homie. This is Dr. Homie.
What's up, beautiful people? Dr. Homie here to make sure that you as good as you can get. Cause a homie only wants the best for their homies. I got you, homie. Gracias! Don't forget to hit that like or thumbs up so I know to keep hooking you up. You a little bit more big boned than you want to be? Well, top thing to remember is size don't mean
Am I crazy? Or is your hand really small?
That's right. If you don't fit that archetypal body type of the ideal person, you can still be healthier than the person who starves themselves for a six-pack to look really good for 30 seconds. Hey, don't laugh, because that's a struggle too. But after that, real talk, that higher BMI can put you at major risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other deadly diseases. Yes, even if you look like this. And these deadly problems are happening to people younger and younger.
Let me tell you a story about a little fat boy.
One study from 2000 to 2016 found that every year the proportion of people having heart attacks and strokes under 40 years old increased 2% every year. Kids are also getting diabetes and high cholesterol before they even reach puberty. Obesity rates have jumped like crazy since the 80s. And I'm looking hard at y'all states who be making salads out of sweet stuff like marshmallows. But save me a plate though. So if your BMI is high and you have any of these weight-related issues, you're probably higher on death's priority list.
Who are you? I'm Callista Flockhart. Who the hell do you think I am? I'm deaf.
If you've already tried to lower that BMI, or you just don't know what resources are available, go to your doctor to take advantage of the 2022 insurance-approved weight loss journey. Essentially, I'll just be talking about how many public and private insurances approach weight loss coverage, many times despite necessity or appropriateness.
That's very inappropriate.
But hey, it can still be a valid and life-saving resource, so listen up. So the first option we should be offering you is a nutrition consult. You can learn how to understand your goals and nutrition and develop personalized lifestyle modifications.
Upgrades.
Don't want to see a nutritionist? Well, bummer, because most insurances require that this get done before moving forward with anything else. Sometimes for a minimum of 6 months. Talk to your doctor though, because there are some exceptions to this. Next, if there was no improvement with the nutrition consults, whether it's because they sucked or you sucked, an option we could provide is medication-assisted weight loss. One type of medication that when taken with food is supposed to prevent 30% of fat absorption from that meal. However, some significant GI effects are possible, so not sure how worth it would be for you.
Happens to be Betsy.
That make me kind of sad in pants.
Other medications act more like uppers that increase your metabolism, heart rate, blood pressure, and even mood. The bupropion naltrexone combo is the only medication that's available that's not a controlled substance, i.e. those meds that some crackheads trying to get their hands on.
I wanna be addicted to roller skating, not crack.
These meds can be risky for people with BP or heart disease though, so keep that in mind. Another type of medication tends to work on you being less hungry by slowing your intestines and inappropriate release of any glucose. This has been shown to result in long-term reduction of 20% of the starting body weight after a year. However, this is mostly a medication for diabetics, but some insurances may have varying requirements for non-diabetics, so it might be worth trying for it. It's currently being deemed the new Hollywood drug due to TikTok, which resulted in y'all messing it up for a lot of people who need it more than you.
I just start dropping pounds left and right.
There are multiple types of this med available, so talk to your doctor about the options. If all these options aren't working or cutting it, bariatric surgery is an option.
So many options.
There are now different bariatric surgery options, and most public and private insurances will cover it, after everything mentioned before has been addressed. The reasoning is, if we can lower body weight in people who really could benefit from it, then that's money saved on ER visits and medical interventions for severe diseases like heart failure, dialysis, stroke effects, etc.
You got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
Hashtag capitalism meets public health. I hope you learned something you can use today. Don't forget to hit that like or thumbs up if you want me to keep hooking y'all up.
Dude, hook me up.
And leave a comment below if you have any topic suggestions you want to see in next episodes. Cause this homie's got you. And lastly, share me with your loved ones so they can learn something to help them out from Dr. Homie.
Learn something from a homie. This is Dr. Homie.
Good boy, Spike. You're welcome.